Hey there, let's start this video off with a bang. You will not learn any Vietnamese from this video. If you're still with me, my name is Josh Short from Short on Miles, and this is my first video in a series I'm tentatively titling Learn Vietnamese Weekly. In Learn Vietnamese Weekly, I'll give a recap of what I've learned over the past week. I am a newbie Vietnamese language learner. I'm learning specifically Southern Vietnamese. And if you're trying to learn Southern Vietnamese as well, you know there's not a lot of resources out there for us. This video series, along with future blog posts and resources that I will create, will hopefully help you and other Southern Vietnamese language learners. If you're going to be traveling to Vietnam for a couple weeks or months like I've done in the past, you just want to be able to speak to your in-laws like I'm trying to do, or you just have a general interest in Vietnam and Vietnamese, I believe this channel is for you. As I said, I'm very new to the Vietnamese language learning process. This video series and channel in general will hopefully be an example for others how they can learn Vietnamese through progress each week. I've actually had countless attempts of learning Vietnamese, all of which have failed, and I've kind of deduced the problem down to lack of going all in. It's always been just a couple minutes here, a couple minutes there, and after a number of days or weeks, ultimately fails. So this is my way of going all in, burning the ships, and having the threat of public shaming keep me on track with learning Vietnamese. If this channel piques your interest, I'd love for you to subscribe and hit that thumbs up button so I know I'm doing something right. And I will see you next week in a video where I'll be talking about how I'm exactly learning Vietnamese this time and the progress I've made over the past week. Alright, thanks, and I'll see you next time on Learn Vietnamese Weekly.